Import means making known or communicated. The and inscribed after the blank indicates that the blank should be filled with the choice, gives the same qualities of youth even to old age as novelty. Lethargy, lassitude, and torpor as choice A, B, and C denote inactiveness or a state of physical or mental weariness that is against being fresh in physical or mental state, and banality as choice E means anything that is not fresh or flamboyant. All the four choices A, B, C, and E uh, mean the opposite meaning of novelty, which is against our predictions, so they all are eliminated. Choice E, choice B, choice C, and choice A are to be eliminated. On the contrary, vivacity as choice D means the liveliness, freshness, or quality or being lively and animated, which fill the blank with respect to the line and ambience the opening of, of the opening a new pursuit. So the correct answer is choice D.